Let's take a look at what's new with the latest update to InstaLOD 2026. InstaLOD 2026 adds two new modes to the Quad Remesh mesh operation. These modes are Adaptive and NURBS Patch. Both generate a new mesh with pure quad topology, producing results with minimal loops and supporting edges. The result is an adaptive quad mesh that's well suited for subdivision surface workflows in DCC applications. Adaptive mode includes two dropdowns for controlling the accuracy and quality of the generated mesh. In this example, the input mesh is already quad-based, but its subdivisions have been baked into the geometry, making it very dense. InstaLOD's new Quad Remesher is great for simplifying dense quad meshes into the minimum topology needed for further modeling and adjustments. NURBS Patch mode provides additional control over the remeshing process with value-based parameters for precise fine-tuning, such as patch layout coarseness to control simplification of the quad layout, and maximum tessellation distance to control the overall quality of the generated result. The Adaptive and NURBS Patch modes make it easy to move from high-density concept sculpts and scans to editable, low-poly base meshes without spending extra time on manual retopology workflows. This release adds new InstaLOD Pipeline commands to streamline high-volume dataset workflows, making it easier to merge many inputs into a single scene and convert large batches of files in fewer steps. Let's take a look at one of these commands in more detail. The new Convert Folder Merge command converts and merges a folder with one command without the need for an InstaLOD profile. For example, you can take a folder of multiple CAD parts and automatically merge them into one fully assembled scene, then tessellate and convert them to a polygon-based format with one command. You can learn more about the new InstaLOD Pipeline commands with the link to the InstaLOD Pipeline documentation in the description below. It is now possible to set the up axis when importing files from the Open Scene dialog. Simply choose the Scene Up axis from the import settings and click Open. Introducing InstaLOD from Maxon Cinema 4D, bringing InstaLOD's industry-leading optimization technology and mesh processing workflows to the popular 3D motion graphics, broadcast design, and visualization software. Now you can take advantage of InstaLOD's technology directly within Cinema 4D with full access to all of InstaLOD's mesh operations, from polygon optimization, remeshing, automatic UV unwrapping, texture baking, occlusion culling, and more. And that's not all. Introducing InstaLOD for NVIDIA Omniverse, bringing InstaLOD's full geometry processing stack into Omniverse-based pipelines. InstaLOD for NVIDIA Omniverse gives teams direct access to mesh optimization, LOD generation, and automatic geometry processing without stepping outside of their environment. For organizations managing large-scale USD pipelines, this means InstaLOD's optimization capabilities are now available at every stage of the pipeline. With new quad remeshing capabilities, InstaLOD Pipeline commands to streamline high-volume dataset workflows, and new integrations, InstaLOD's latest release continues to expand the capabilities of artists and technical teams across the entire 3D content pipeline. If you enjoyed this video, drop us a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. For the latest news about InstaLOD, please visit our website, follow us on X, join us on Discord, or sign up for the Abstract community. You can find all the links in the video description below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.